research, proper research, and yet Ghana losing rainforest faster than any other country in the world. Yes, Ghana losing rainforest faster than any other country in the world. Said Ghana's rainforest is being lost at an alarming rate according to a new report about the state of forests worldwide. Global Forest Watch used updated remote sensing and satellite data from the University of Maryland and estimates that there was a 60% increase in Ghana's primary forests loss in 2018 compared to 2017, the highest in the world. The second highest was neighboring Cote d'Ivoire, Africa, with a 28% increase. Together, these two countries produce nearly 60% of the world's cocoa.
India no him for na yam.
Sir John, why mo Sir John mami?
I was saying Sir John didn't.
Mo Sir John
na buy and why adie kojo. Yeso ta kodo an we na mri.
Oh why adie? But what this? I mean,
wabo adwuma na I was say kwan ya be fa so a betimi abo ho ban. Essence nyame wanye abru on etina de bia meka se Ghana yetena se pa na hwe Ghana ni enenam ne kokojofo jo ka asem bi wo hia magu no me namba nkyekere saa ni hweye wo essence ye mfa no ma bi ngugu ye a ebetimi aboa eti Ghana your youth policy
the policy I can't sponsor youth policy
enti wo say abrantie si so a mo be bresa wo hu ba bia wonko wo ne ti ko badum me say akobada be say urade anya wadom am went me anya baby ensi a wan hwa be sansani
your youth policy a eye papa anka a game in the world sika ewrem na sapie $24 trillion a year football kaya mani nguo Ghana anope na meka me say enra baby a efri me fie ebedu Kingsby Junction na TVC abontin bia
why ma
ya packet taxis are packet private cars.
Once now taxi drivers nasem. Enra madam Fubia menene nam na ohia taxi or ne taxi driver fano. Wo friend no taxi driver na amfa.
Wo hebo.
Ne oye o ka che me anso Liverpool nti ya show mu ide wo mfada. Wa adwuma na odi ato nchen.
And me drew Kingsby. Me kwato 2 ministers, 4 MPs.
What you herbo?
Almost shop ball.
Ya say ye dey.
Me run barbering shop one no MPs na ba ku ba okay now about time madam so me ba 2-3 weeks ago. No so okay. I'm so na bona mo ye there so ye shop one na ye be dru fie no na bia na match now o mapon. Na sada me boye na me confirm kakra am so na bonti yen ye di ye be ne den. I say football people ejuma.
Now
and I was sad.
Why we Premier Leagues ni bi dan? One park e boso bo.
Oh, what's that?
Born to so ane hurihuri. Asa bebe.
Yes, serious so.
Park nye. Ye twanso a camera quality poor, angles poor. Chese.
Yanko. Oh, fa papers ni shemne yanko. The forest grand e good.
Oh no am a friend sir.
We are me bom me.
Abusafo enfa de ubon krata no.
It's despite group for you now no yamamu yako. Yamamu yako pa. Me say at the right time no penny for be arrange na. Ya baby jam ona akataye mami echi
Mother's Day so na ebe na mami eja ehokoyi na ye ka Mother's Day asem no kenkan me dwumadi e na Sunday free anwumre no num edikosi no nsia e wa Adom 106.3 FM ye de kenkan me Mother's Day promo eba na ye ma omanfo akonya na omode ahye omo mami no manyam inti de ye ne se yes obi bia we interested and meaning so Ghana ni bia person hye ma me animonyam true story e fa o ma me ho edi adanse ade a e ma o ma me da sonko free e ma nyina mu story form eni kwan se e bro 4 minutes o tro the bar o the beba front desk joy abronsan mo kokomlemle Adom FM ye front desk o the bar na fe ye ready we are ye be select best 4 ye select we are na te se de kenkan me ye na wo se bonsu obe kenkan owi ane de drama afra ne de sound effect afra ne de nwom so afra na afi yabo yebo wi a amanfo be frɛ na o mato aba na panel so atena se de aka ho na afi nipa for na be invite omo e wo studio ha ni abo on Mother's Day no e be si kwesi ada nti be invite omo studio aye bo for ni wi a de obe win no ni ama na chede bafu no de akwhye ne maame enu monyam nti na kenkan me Mother's Day promo nti se wuti a shase true story na nefa bra Erade Adom a who knows you'll be smiling na afi ye nyina ye moa ne enhye enanu enu monyam esanso o mabre kojo o mabre pa
we me trobi ba me wa hantima woni e be ka say o wa hantima mo de ba
there be kojo nka ho ye disqualified
anka me troye
we are disqualified me say me nka
right about
boacho a wonka ho
na ontimi ntro na betumi aka guade soso de aba nya obi an betumi atwere
there be we no cry was so tro no twi also tro
second can
to otro ba brofo amonye
there be we are disqualified
na wow
also trouble twi ne kenkan ne bo
ejo mate yemfa you heritage in Shasia no pe capito heritage ajanra mede no mu nsem no yese mampani arapo adwumayefo wa rapo workers
ye kan say wa yobo omo
wa yobo terms no patapa terms no wo bi wa yobo omo na the bonka tay say enra mede adwumayefo ye wo mayi mu koto santen ne yese ne da bia wo yono no wonu mu ekoyo ne sa na ebibu afu wose no na ebibu afu ebi ankoso ene ye da ye kodi ebi ko hese wo hwe placards ekitekita omo na chese wa ankwa abodwe so na ebi nsem omo kan say yabanye poor condition of service na chese yenya bo yadwuma ya ye mu ena ebi so say pension ye wose aban wo ye hu adwuma no ye hu niema so na wo bi placard na ekita no wose snete no a Ghana fo yetua no sabe mpredua sanyansa nim te sapatapa anyom ne no ne ekita oba o na ekita no snete nhyehyɛ ye ne aban ye no nyansa nim te sapatapa anyom
ye mpede ye mode patapa no munya abrante
minim ne wo tworo saa ade no ba ni tirimu a wo tworo di ya na ekita no
gradually or dominate music
udi jawo mo
monta ona mo yese na nyansa din wo nyansa nyuma tworo no
ayo
obi atena se
obi baby de attention bebrebe ya baby de asresere ni wo da montra
obi atena se de na ya hyinsum ope hit song
wa bonyo nana yata woko ala grele
yes nim eti saa niema na omo twotwo ye nyina na omo wie na mampanisi munya botre na ne masese ya me besane egu oman Ghana mu na adwumafo mo ho bedwomo adwumayefo mo ho bedwomo na emom ebi so aye wo mo kwaku ananse adwuma no wo kwa abonye ebi kwa achese kwan ya bofa so ye adwuma bere ye wo se wodu adwuma mu no wonko wonya kodu wonum so adwuma no wo ye ne sane efode no sisra bebe hwehwe no hu no yese wapon ko break ya wo mabio ti mampani si wo otu akurafo atu agina mafo nti mo de se mo tworo de ba awate ne yesese wo ye no be ye na emu madwumafo so hwe na ne yesese wo ye no wonye mfa mo
mami musawo na ayana wo links people of parliament honorable Joe say we no want to say
BBI okay BBI fine who's the pressure ne
I'm saying no kind speech over behind midway
pressure ne sane man capito say
na
so munya time nji o ma ho
omo home
sane man no sane man e komo e wo house wo say wo bi brenisa enu nti unim enhyehyɛ bi o mo de ba ye ne say o makofa papa bi a unse yesi ye senses no ye nipadua no niema ewo ye mo organs ni nyina na wo ye nam eti ye toda unse omo massage o nam na yesi o ya so uti ya so wakoma ya so o makofa papa bi o parliament on mo ye bi ti omo ankasa de ne say wo de wa ye adwuma na bi ana ho dodo ni we otumi kɔ hɔ because of edru ba bi MPs no we wu ana omo wuo ne we yai no omo de saa niema ne baaye nti omo mafa kwan bi so omo afa ebo omo ho eti we ne bia exceptional way eti yenhwe because yes ne see yen panifo tumi so ano ntem
ya no mu rush
omo tumi so ano ntem they say cry omo work clinic wo parliament ono mo anyway nti no I know say
obe kai say na ntem adwo asafo be kai say nka be yanka omo nya gym say de be yanka omo betumi atene na omo mpom ewo parliament me kai so oni okuja to ablakwa cry na issue mo de buy sanka yempe gym emfa momo said e be on betimi atenete o mo pam asem we cry ne Ghana for din komo mbufu ye say no ma yede mo nyina echi o ma ne sa mo kan kopa gym momo
no mo de no mo ka so mbe ye o ntumi nye wo parliament o mo ka so mbe mosque o mo ye hia police station o ma ye hia clinic o ma nya o ma de ye hia doctor obebo ne yi papa die ya make ho no so enti no if ni o mo hu so mo hia na they should do it. Dia na omaka so mo hwe omo ntumi nye so mo so omo ana omo hye mra ye edi wo mo nhyehyeye so they can do it
ke wo se adwuma bia nya bi
yanko fa custodian yanko
ya nim custodian da obokrata o mapanyine nim fonyine da ha wo shata de fita and I was ratches and the said you are some you nyina da eteho wa hye space come around now I say from poverty to prosperity wo mapanyine nasma wo kana no se Ghana beyond aid kwan a wo fa so na Ghana ya de ho say wo man a yesika sem nyina da ye betumi aboabo ye ho ne enkwada wo binya fe ne ye kwa amano ne ye kwa akopɛ besia ye kwa amano ne ye kopɛ adroye ye se wa pa wontema a enei wo se wo de Ghana efi ohia burubrom ekoyedie mu ama Ghana de hye ene atumi age na ani nyina mu no story bi wo ha eyemede wo se page journalist well GJA to media owners na kwadwo uhyia obi pa kwa assignment ne ka so century ne to de bia na
ayo de no na wo so kan because this is not the first time I hear TB ida na ebe yo de keke
ya na uraho
ya tene da
de uradias ye no bi se bia be hye ye de uradias na enkran hampo se wo hyia century ni wa assignment as obi wo ho ne motutu so wanat mfifre ne motom tutututu ba ko bia menim ni se
fuma aduane
ba ko bia menim ni se wo hu ni sure utu se nyame born na nine powerful straight legs why bull leg by force shoe no Russian reno ama atofa eti na GJ force was repa penfo obi enwuma muntua centrofo kayi na centrofo baduma ye bron centrofo no pawiane anadwo ensema hinta ye yidi pie Ghana fo ete de ekoso ne
okay mami kwa amana somrana me ne Opini Daniel Dawson or Gridco senior staff member edana ne wote menka me mo acha no pay
me mawachi na captain
bibia e boko de
bibia boko
Gridco bibia e okay wo ho
Gridco bibia anya okay sa yesika semu nkoye
den pa na ekoso ho ka kire
ECD4 the yanka Valco 4 the yanka ECD4 kakra kobe 600 million Ghana cedis Valco 4 so ka kobe 28 million US dollars but yen hunie ko yen sika sem na ba fem mama ye yaketua mu ni ade nyina akoye problem e wo yenya ne debate ya yen hoka na abade ye de behwe materials a ye de be ye adwuma ni ade contractors om ye adwuma ma ye ni ade no enkoyi nti ye hwe sa ban betumi aboa yen kakra na watu yen sem ni etimi amamo good power delivery na Ghana one district one factory ni yekeke ka honi nyina etimi akoso one one
na say ban say na say Gridco egu anu no
Gridco nguye Gridco a very viable company but ni akoso idie I was say abantimi dem no timi boayen nya sadia ye huni yegina
ECG kano eya fiba ko emfie mienu eye mreban na abobo anu edu over 600 million okay
ECG kano started enyene in fact more than 5 years ago na sa ekawe started buano inti enya ban we a problem enya normal cause problem no per se but oye ye jane de e was yetimi su friend me ye hwese obitimi abayan sra abayan ho
okay mami musa we obi bebusa Gridco madwuma ne say moye dan na ma ECG abede mo kai
Gridco ye ne se VR for ni asoglini ade power generators no omo generate power na ye ne ye crap power na de koma ECG I say ye PDS any netco any companies akesia to say mines no ne cement factory no ni ade ye ne really power into you say no say ye ne the backbone to the power delivery because producers na generators no generate power na entimi preoccupy fi ho enko ECD4 no I was seeing any TMGC ho near coordinating affairs within the sector. Say there is low generation. Never see it mima generation no cut down. I was see it mima ECD4 to reduce your load near the years are coordinations nina.
And I buy and fear no near training, sir. Namahwadi amodema ECG momoso de mayeno aketua sese omudi tuamono monsanyan kae
baby e ka edaho e ka no nanse mo no de na tariff no e ba down no omutimi tuo moka ni nyina but enumpo no e ka de da na edaho no so ye ka na e ha ye dwumadie as you see ni yen hu how are you bitimi atoto niam. Now, in fact, from the beginning, no, management they handle issue, no, but young government who the seriousness of our situation now on by and serving.
Twaso akwa ni mu kakra na se ya na be ya. Minim se ya mo wa hochirem. How be pa na de beba?
How do you be brave? Because you see, I know, say, one and Yaman Fita next, you could take line no, who you in life now, you're in life in any other no. And Yaman Fita you could take them. Meaning, I have insulators. And I'm saying, we don't have space. And see, such line be out of MCC now to get money to buy those things are all issues. And see, yeah, I say, even money for running our maintenance, it's a problem. And see, yeah, I say, give it to me in Yeska because see a tough line of them near Yeska and far and yes, I knew my way in Nana. At the end of the day, no nature say Ghana for a better soon.
My now I say Jada, so be a sage Everton Safra.
Okay.
Daniel Dance, a great co senior staff member.
Since I come home and say, Dundum no urban one, as I say.
On can insist with you, but would you know who no set off in his camp from Pija? Simple.
I didn't be so, monsieur, be okay.
Be okay.
So, yes, oh, mammy, now so I die. I dear cheer. I know,
Africa, you know.
No, Coreno, I was say, can any so problem in years.
What Opa, you remember was I day and Koye? Opa, can be your time. Manager at town, fast when so.
Abushaya fa di chronicle ento aso na chronicle anim so ne yasikofodua wo ba ya wo sika wo kofodua pa the richest lady. Oh, she's you're a rich woman. She's a rich woman. I say tuntum so you Madam Belinda Dokria yeboa yeso ogboska nkasa HRM ya wo kofodua SDA hospital ababa ni woska onyini kese na gatu unim ni enti ayeso wo sika yi yesi workers ya wonum ya adwuma wo SDA hospital honom no ebidin ko payroll so be 65 no odin ko payroll so ana Dokria say munim say me wo connections we are so to on any connections abre no say me ye connection woman na meti adwuma mu mesa no so okọ controller obi ani ho aminim ne honom ne meka so no mo ye eti nipa 65 no so pa wo pese odin kwa akatua nwoma so a fa 4000 bra wo de 4000 ba wo beji wa katua na wo say sometimes we desperate ye ntua wo ka
40 million
40 million asem na make times 65 nye 60 wo te so 65 and you say workers in ye bi kobbobosia wo se uje na akatua ne ba me de akwa akotua na omudi betua ya ma Dokria wo ne kwamna kumi so wo omo ehwe sika so wo hospital SDA hospital ho ana omo so ye beboa mo etu omo Dokria so wo gi sika no connection man no wo controller ho no wo de bre no papa ni gi sika no ka chense sa nkrofo na mde omo bewure mu no maye omo din ghost names ana kwamna kumi se da bi wo ye no ghost names and say ye ghost names ye be ye firim
na se omo ye adwuma no dada
mai
omo ka tua na emma
wo se do time bi a adwumafo na bi brewu wo betumi aye adwuma na be 3 months na wakatua na emma na lock obi so minimum obi wo metumi amana ye bi ni o ye systems no ade ye adwuma no ebi ena emma wo emunya kwa awuram no eti kwamna kumi hwe na ose da bi wo ye no ghost names na emmoa eti se sa de scan ye de to ho nkwan a wo de be fa so a na ade aba first ena Dokria de call ne bank Barclays Bank ofodua na ye so de kwoto ho eti dokuya so de kwoto won na bank manager no chia no bi ode you are rich the whole Cove Town wona wo skapa na o se da bi ne papa yi be ma asama tum na okoyi ska ni free ho e na ode call Omni Bank wo so ode kwoto wo so o say oh you are rich no se da bi o mo mam say din na be ha me e na oyi e na ode call Goko Security so say den e na so ode koye investment sika no a sefa koye connection no e na sika no aloko yese sika na aloko etu o se da papa kwasi ndum ekue wo betua ne ka no e na obetumi de sa sika no be na yese chronicle for se no mo frɛ no su te sa kwada wo su ma di sika no miniye media koye investment na aba fire nti mo mfa ncheme enti kofodua sika ni ba ni ato no no unya chronicle
say bankers should nipa account no man we shia na obo do sika bo won sabrane.
You are the richest lady in Cove Town.
But say it's your banking ethics.
Oh na ne bankers ni ye bi ni wo mu obi timi hwe accounts mu man ni bi betumi ahwe accounts mu ye be ma wo de na bi mu a o ne ba bi obechina pa obi obechina ni nyina say ti amra so e koso
ya na telephone number
and we see canon ka would the investment just say 2 for say 2 for
good morning
do I hear ya net nada ho wo mra
am I talking to Mr. Chiahini? Yes please,
Mr. Smart.
I have a check here. What's your name say? Check.
Lovely. Yeah. This is lovely.
Unfortunately I don't remember issuing a check to anybody. Okay, so what do you want me to do? Return the check or pay? Return. Okay. On number no dia frɛ on file office number dem frɛ on number no na
nti kasa debi
or dia frɛ. So you'll be tempted to call back to find out who brought the check. Check number.
Lovely.
Okay, please, I'm a bit busy. I'll send you a text and then we'll take it from there. Thank you, sir.
Akweni oye bi atoneda na me ka say me nkwa na me ba onim into detail ma say bi atoda
hi sir hi
and that's why I reply
how are you
lead me not into temptation.
We just closed. I'll get back to you tomorrow when I get to the office. Good night, sir. That was work a good night.
Na say connection no na e kono.
Kojo enti asemi a wo kan.
Na enenam.
Tobo ansa beto aso no kojo. Asemi a wo kan. Are you talking from experience?
Please, next time when you issue a check to anybody, you just answer
the question and stop this.
Answer the question. Just ask the person.
You better answer the question.
You just direct all of them to come and see me. Oh, sir.
Oh, and near my dear question. Yes,
what check now? What? Come on, Messi.
There's a link more establishes a link no na mo de common man. You see. Esin to obey dia what this one say America ya ne kai oso woni e waje dia
banks no anya dia na ni kwan so mu hia na mo de born in Sabrane
the richest lady in Cove Town
eno kwan ehu
wa ma ne de sika ya kwata ma na
ko ya na se nipa kro nipa boni ni obetira makronfo
na captain wo ho na wo hwe oji sika no oji sika na sa wo de yeden obi a wonya adwuma je 4000 oji sika na de yeden adwuma na wo ye wo hospital no we nka ho ndi konto anape na homa so no kon
no ho
konto anape
but ye so ankan krofrom ko kan chokro no kada
na sa abafa ne de eden ya onmo ebeka na TUC for so say aban animanimu ya MPSC deal no se wantwamu a workers wo Ghana Port and Harbors nipa 1400 na ebelu so omadwuma ti omo se aban twamanu rabufo na omo de koye na ba akono no wo mo se chese sadi no mahwemu omu mfa so bi efiri mu ba enso aban ayere ne kone achi firi aban dada abre so ya se ebetwam so ade na ekoso nti omu do mu tu aban fo sa aban ye MPS deal no twam twam owura yi kwakwasi amane ne mpanimfo se mu ntwam tinchonchan na workers no wo ho anyu won ten
me afa na mbeba MPS so obi e ka me twam obi aka wi
asem
me wi ana ma ba MPS
asem
yani me kan last
ade na twam obi aka
obi pese obi aka
eja no wo mi ya na nka won so
me ma te me go bi aka bi obi aka wi
obeso ye last killer
sir, as I say, it will be bought 65 companies, called international bidding. Obi ambo companies. There are 65 companies.
And a bidding for that project.
A core bidding. And they reduce here about 50 in the film. And they do 48. And they call 30. And they call 12. They do 9. They call 7. 7 no more court. MPS cried in court. I say I'm no case was Supreme Court.
And see MPS was part of bidding. MPS in Cameroon.
MPS in Cat. When we call international
7 no crab can no
MPS in Cameroon. It's no Oda Mobi Professor Bia
no Mobi shame.
I will be area when I ever channel.
Mammy for Daily Graphic in Fantoa. Daily Graphic, yes, say are buying Nasnet for the KB 1.7 billion
Ghana crown or your Kobo project na ekono. You contributed dime 1 cedi.
Asemu. Etino Daily Graphic enim enene wode abeto monten se
Ewrade ya Adom company that go for time. MPS je go for.
But taxes no a wo de niam e ba ye free so de ende ye adwuma.
Taxes no. Ye koma be hunu se enya adwuma.
Enya adwuma na ye adwuma.
Ye ku ye wia.
Abase bi mo se ye adwuma.
Wo de se be wi. Sankrata na nyirai.
Because workers no argument in say Charlie
ebi mu say adwuma
workers no mo case mo case pa enti e be wuram from the tia be see from
ya na fabrantem
ba ne send ya be duru ba bia
ya na fabrantem
ba me bi ba kroma say friend Princess Anne oba how
Princess Anne
want to do that
want Princess Anne nya
UK
but Princess Anne the NHS and Kamami Baba you.
My chef I'm for sardine into
Princess Anne.
Monfa Princess Anne nto.
Me kwatwa to. Na media she book mo to. Na dey am obeka no ho asem no makwa ko bia hwedi.
And a company back we from KT and tax. Monfa sardine you into
KT
and tax.
Tax
TAGS tax.
Oh, okay. Me can say be a TX. Enti so dey na kan Daily Graphic. Yes say abanye TSK Nasnet for ye ka da 1.7 billion. Enti won saka de obokrata Daily Graphic how be mu say the normal siko. Na National Communication Authority for so the bill e ba telecommunication companies na e be regulate your services. Na me de urade asesem ran be adwuma nko ade a sense o manfo.
Na we say
na ho na ka cho asem rani hoda.
Da bi ade we say kojo ban redu ye ba ko.
Kojo adwun
honorable kojo ban redu before we be free mu no oye ba ko time ye ton Ghana Telecom ma Vodafone. Yes. Back by.
Almost 15 years ago, into say omo be remix.
Professor Mills time. Omo review ye.
Yeah. Sa brena na man for years mo na na mo se mo mpene ye de mu be review ni.
2013. Omo review ye. Said be ya de be ye. Honorable that time now one Minister of Communication. JM time. Omane Boama. They tried their best.
Bakwadwe hadwen said the credit pass ikono oto creditors e yikore nsa ne awo guguru wo kasa ni na ni nyina ansa wo kasa wo browse kra de enye wo be browse e be wiase no ade na emma yese e bafa be wie na credit nso asa
so mama na me kwa man so na me cha so who's director of operations in charge of special duties forestry commission. Charles, good morning.
David Omijoso
na bibia e bokode e
onyameti ase
interview we am no be ye enhyehyɛ da ho me pesa wote ase ne yato aso me pesa odi bibia besie
me bibia besie
me pesa odi bibia besie
da bi anaso ni fela metie
de won bi asese ye kana Ghana ye tubi je na duro na asese ye ka
matek
me da ase se bibia e bokɔ de
nyame daroma Adom na so ye so ye ade pa tie di na kesa asedan ko na de me rade
anope ye me ba ye na me hwɛ online sini nyina na me copy story bi so my joy online. Mamenkan kakra emao. Na fi yemfantoa so emfri ho. I say Ghana's rainforest is being lost at an alarming rate, according to a new report about the state of forest worldwide. Global Forest Watch used updated remote sensing and satellite data from the University of Maryland and estimated that there was a 60% increase in Ghana's primary rainforest loss in 2018 compared to 2017, the highest in the world. As it says, Ghana losing rainforest faster than any country in the world. First, Commission, we are aware.
Commission, the kind, ma menawase. In chat here for. Na yan country, I must say. Omani and the so na ebi. Asema obi sami ohun. Nche mu nyina ne se. Ampa enokwese onyame kwaya na wabɔ na asase a wabɔ obobi nka ho bi. Nti yan forest ahodo aye wo no. Ebi ntumi meka ho naturally. Just yen yankasa ye boy ho modern say ye bɔbɔ ho ban. Na ye timi bibiye den aba beka ho. And it was a we could do so free Sir John. Obey a forest commissioner no. Of Mebunu and Nantian and Mabawa, I had to do youth in afforestation. Over 60,000 people. I mean, like I say, you dream across the country. Now, you did a thing here, you dress a miano. Because you have to say, a quiet night, you know, so be quite a coffee. See, I'm fairly on Sanwa. That's it, a higher Tiasi and Chima Society, a better. And the Usha acquire who does so your first one. So you Lucy and acquire any brina. You won't call for, and let me know, say, I'm not taught in Ra, ye display, said in Miase, not in Yana, a woman acquiring all my farms, a woman, and to go baby, deep inside the forest. Not Obia, I body full and can you fool, I have focus, see now. That's a difficult set, you in Fitias, Coquayana, as a sopa. A BM so, a year from a good year, Juma. I started here, a far Galamsia Hoodway. Acquire a war of Mamun in Naradia. The being were to Galamsia. I answer Aquayano. And there's a non channel. There were man as well. So the Opaso or Condoso in the Juma. Then so for Papa so and find your Juma. Now, you need change so. And a Johnny, and a party, a cushion. You buffer kuti kwanso ade twen ekoton eni sika go botom enti ka bito obi samedia why no mentimi enka se report mi gitum sa ebe yefi se in 2017 kwampo no 2018 kwano I last year there be 10 million citizens across the country enye forest min kwa yen suku bianom ba bi ansase ebenya asibiti ahodo nsase yɛ deda hɔ kurumu nsase yɛ deda hɔ baabi bia asase da bia wɔ man mu bia deɛ ɛne akwaeɛ no so bia yɛhu sɛ sɛde yɛde gya ahyehye no yɛde galamsey asɛe no na yɛbu nnua no so afiri mu gya no forest commission a owura sɛ John Dan no ɛbɔ ne ho mmɔden sɛ yɛbɛtumi ɛnya saa loss no a yɛlu so afiri no yɛbɛtumi asa arecover ɛnti sɛ ɔmo ka no saa yɛgu so ɛyɛ ho adwuma na megyere sɛ Amerika pɛ mu no nnua yɛ ade a Sabi, the entire people from whom Chicago, Nanson, a taking years and tonight, a home for Savina de Abba. And the year make us a year and last year, almost about 10 million citizens. You have a home for so and he has to take about 10, 12, 15 years answer. Now, home for Savina, yes, then said Yaka.
Haben Pana Munem, Woma Ebundia, Ebu quiet to go, a say no. To me, Ben a tower, no much I say, Womus Rubia.
Capital, how do you will be papa? Imagine, sir, you want forest cover and a cracker. Sabi you square mile be about 30,000. I mean, acre square mile. Then you can be me and a forest guard on hill. And sometimes I'm not going to say a forest runner. You get a more. And I'm confronting my shake, and no more trip, Galamsey, no more, or they see no evil, hear no evil. And confront Cochelle, over one, Any you bet you, and then to say, I understand. What for your coins to Kusi Boga? What for your coins to Kusi Wa? A Kusi to Hamley, Kusi Kulungungu, a Faso Kusi Afau, a Faso Kusi, the northern voter, everywhere. And then the western regional. The checkpoints are who doing so and then so marketer who be say who pay dia if you have wide the area ko bisa ta so who me say John I didn't hear you didn't share pa ato akwanma and then so ko twadua so twa na do so twa na view so yentime hu an chew ba bia ko twa na nko ade na de si kwan so nko ade a ye be chew because capital yeah now sometimes I take some you the enforcer is a comedy acquiring fine some you know then easy. Upon the officer of the Juma, and she say a name rather. First a commission, that point, Yapon the whole Tabra. Now, your mom cut, I mean, to feel you knew it. Now, the other woman, you can see a mobile because you really are. You said that this special permit, Elitra. And they won't quite any do what. Another movie or maybe I won't. As a phantom, you won't know. Yesterday, you was a holding in Chamukuria. Say that my president was someone. Oh, then so that be a young crying corner. And you call to see. And you how do you with her? Now, my fuck when you're just rabbi. So you said you're controlling himself by my whole wine into the same anything. I know a permanent staff. Your staff will be a coma, I will gym. A beam to cry, said you were free or crazy. So I'll repose now the winner. You bet not send penny as him. It's not abo acquire hodona your own idea and mobile. Peter Capital, why are you on my first commission for? Why are you on mine? Now, why I say for swat on my main yanadi? You can see a Kawasama at the Everton. And a year my yen said, Yaka was a me. Then you media, the media, radio cities are good. And you know, so yet to 4 women to the TSS. As I said, that I acquire, it didn't mean the Kaponta. If you need to about the one mobile, it's me as one for so. Mammy can be true. And when do I trust the CIA? I think over 100 years. The CIA can see at once and say, there will be anywhere 100 years. And just another bit now see him say, and Chima Baba that should be. And Chima actually. And the young friend really is so mobile. It's over Kayakino. It's because the quiet young brother. In Tramudia. And so you tribute or do Omamidu, I'd say the battle. Find never win in Fabi, Yama, Yabachi, Yensradia, Yamuadia, Yamfa, Yafi. And sure, so what could have been soon so no Jensen, not all Pidiano. Then I said, I see a physical weebuto. A year, Tikaya, that's the Kanya Gina. But it's not more buying. I say, I'm quite young, the man patenting, the man patenting a bar and giving us a copy of them at the end of the year, as he did.
Mobile, what do I do to from a match Doma machine Makumako saying?
The local say, across the country, Doma machine, I yachim. So me, Hamania, costs about 1,000.
My Doma machines are yet illegal change to a match, a cover 1,000. One woman. It's not channel. And we are yachia, ya confiscated here. I mean to be a data no grandma. Eti sand Doma machines now matching on more the other.
I am not a 10-year request if he security service, prison service, no, any other institutions that will apply for those Doma machines are already doing. And if you also supply a chair, if you have Jumadian and you can get a good in the corner, because I will call boss on your human. Don't machine quiet, you go and almost about 500. So, Payana, that's why you friend upon Sunday. I mean, for Kenya, a union for. They'll quite do all they can say half a region. I a friend upon Sunday. And I mean, okay, say. The union should have 4 years or so. I acquire a cock among no much near Cocky. I could do my big training. See, maybe come up by no mobile. Near my personal company, what's my forestry near me? Second. So the nuclear quite it returns second. How? I'm telling you, in this country. My woman. You will be a contractor. I said, watching and crap. Nah, wɔyɛ n'adwuma a otua tax ma aban fɔlɔsɛfo ani di n'akyi yɛtumi sisi tima to atena ebi ti bani na efi so bi akɔ akɔpae nti mɛsrɛ yɛ mpanyinfoɔ wɔ ɔman mu nananom ahemfo ne asɔfoɔ ɛne mpanyinfoɔ wɔ ɔman mu nyinaa sɛ saa yɛkye nkɔfoɔ a akyɛw pa a yɛde ba no a mesrɛ mo yɛfa nto nkyɛn na yɛbɔ kwaeɛ no ho ban de ama yɛn ho ne ɔman no ɛne anya dodo yɛtwa nnua nɔpa awie nwume mekɔ washing machine single-handedly we confiscated over 10,000 bins. Over 10,000 bins. I'm talking about 20 protesters. I want all the media networks. A nipa afam rasho munsem. Akotsa kwaye nano. Na the only other say, umami ya dikati eni nanu kakra. Ukochi will be no all the doors of the bana yeti doa. Ni ebisa on say, na doors yeti. Wa tren kunya patterns e de buka mu. E bi make say kago baako. Or the banner for TSA, and Kuya so yet. The Seneca doors, you have that DNA. The Kuya passes, you have that DNA. Windows frames, you have that DNA. And you do answer. You want to know the source of the raw material. And find the winner free here, I will turn it into door. The capital. Door could be you need 4 pins, you have 4 pins, that are door. If you imagine 1,000 dogs to become over. We are talking about 4,000 beans and water. Now, before we make 4,000 beans, beans is not any deal will be another hard. No, we are one of our side. It's only about one compartment. And the engineer show about 4 doors. And okay, I would say because I had doors, I don't really because see Diana, the better than I say, until the young uncle free. So, Opa will be Juma, Opa, you were the right source. You told in your mind, I'll be talking with you.
One. Okay.
If every time cut one cut one, you be easy.
One no mukuta doma machines na moji and one more.
I cut the woman said, Obi out the bill in Juma at him. I want to be a wire, your court. And so them could do what we are. I want some, we need to engage. 2 years 1 hour court in seven. If the bill war, could jail. The bill war said you let you more galamsey issues, you know, out of the Coji. The bill is for a court of finding the Paco. Be a Johnny Manaco. I am Rassam, running the Bonsa, okay. But before Queen some of these a lawyer for the whole more for the commission. And it's the one among true. You took a court Tamale, you took a court the Western region and everywhere in this country. So they defend your mind above the whole bind. They tell you been to your fiasse, they bring you a sign of a Burma commission and certain your Hotorian because I had it, Papa. You know, I'm saying, yet Chicago, can't nobody as Funaka and Guanismo. Funaka and Guanismo. And as Funaka, where you units are Jay, and I am the more a Chicago. Captain, Funaka, different from home. There could be a Funaka, beans and one eye Funaka.
Are beans. And Rian, yet you check Fundakanim.
Rian, you check Funaka, you check Funaka, Mama. You know, I say, your chicas are the one that the cocoa. I shall can't woman, and go in Yanayama. The last year I see a VIP cards here, Cocoa Kumasi. The general VIP back 50. They need 12. Not being a castle in Asama. Every year, I just saw my man and I did 2 say. Why a woman for sweat the Mayan? The yard you see above mobile. If you leave it for first commission alone, you bet my then she has about 1 centimeter and you see 9 years of boom. Let catch a must say. You never said you have to buy my and you didn't in the Cambodia. And you so near mobile. Say, I didn't more mobile and maybe a chemical. And I have a 20 year home for so. Then she makes this. After you won't come in China, so for so.
I am much you be interference be fee as Roba.
I don't expect you know my own dear. Ghana dear, when you two big pen, I think now when you be amateur. I get positions and go on, but when you be amateur. I mean, for the women, I'm not anti-achi. Me Bunika, Miss Sarinita, and Sunita. mmara wo yi yebuma enye yi mmara ayemra yinipa no kwakoye na nkasa no wi se eboni na kwakoye ana Bible said you need papa na wanya na eboni and it's also kwose wura mu na ahomache yehu na kobunia ye che wo kwanso a anya ye bi agro and if you buy na ye se penalties ani ye ma cars ahodo I fast you illegal lambert na o from do it was John after them free 500 Ghana cedi I could be 5,000 Ghana cedi and so next all the car kwa for new year if you want to offer una aya tiketa you do 5,000 Ghana cedi the chick can run us so be an we sound for can for you na nko no eno chi no the man fa kofo afide I just say on for can for you bi as all the car fa aban en fa car if I say na dia to a ya dey boy you no so ahodo amwo cars o man mu so kokko so be ya so kwa kofo bi ni ya dey for bia ba obi sa hwe ho krata o wansa na do ka kwa kwese adwuma no
Pacho etiwa forest bauxite piem aban si obetu enhyehyɛ ben na mo wo
we did say quite a good war man good you no quite any area but a good year the forest commission there and you wish you were three answer what the ministry say you were the land commission you were the forest commission and the minerals commission about minerals whatever a minerals commission for and a couple of some yeah understand and I said quite any duty sa aban ma wo kwan se obi nkokwaye no nkoto gudi o wa enipa ba ya wa ba je fi ya wa entertainment and you know say about a gudi ho asem dia yen ni hu tumi bia ka ho asem because eni mu nim dia ye era no say yen dia kwaye no say nkota krata e free aban ho a o man mra ma ho kwan dia yen ma ho kwan bon wudam bakabitu ye se ministry of lands and natural resources the minister sign e mo obi so nkoto bauxite e wo kwaye ni man then for the committee, you need to be a little bit many people and because they say, ministry nothing. The only thing that I understand, you're not entertainment. By a buyer, you will say most of the people who show applications call Minerals Commission. No, if they enter permit, they are if they enter permit. You go to commission, you will say, Sika Muji, I only 2,000 Ghana cedi. The 2,000 Ghana cedi, I'm a plan one for 4 they go for the entry permit, some of them go prospecting our various forests in it. You're pregnant and they go 50,000 Ghana cedi. And they put up 50,000 Ghana cedi. And even say, I just share another for my neck. And if I don't learn to do from myself, you entry permit. And that's over here, she comes so. That's what we do here. Unkata is going now on Sanka. First commission for a month because there's a EP for Kata and what's near the that there are various stages of processor. And then the Sudan in a first commission. Yeah. In a catered area, I didn't catch more forest. Don't go beyond that area. Secondly, in Yahoo, this is the idea of Jumana. Who can get the boy and you oh, piano. Then the young family say, I am out to say the truth of your box. I say, we should go to the million. What take young Kuandia, Ubitaka? That is a share and a forest commission. Yeah, you mean, but after that, you did, there will be Kwamana Kutu box. I too. There will be my Kwamana Kutu box. I too. Our Minerals Commission and the minister in charge of lands and natural.
I mean, Musa, we finally near Ramsey site or no, Patrimony or Hinibiat says or so or chance as an eton. And to more yana day.
Capital, you don't know you say. And Saturday as a club. A coffee Sacomono. Cross over Cotema. Almost. Yeah, I'm conscious of a theory. Now, let's let another info. I was ample for telling I would 2 years of months. I would transfer the tono. On the guy one day. Now, I look at any more individuals or swap for any excavators, any graders, also Kuyaquato. As I say, I would be in a picture as the year anyway. Also, I'm concerned as I'm ready. And then you see, the search for alcohol from time to time. A bomb by say, Kakana Akahon one day. For the commission, it's not bomb by. That when you see it, near prison with the area, it is my own university. So, we are a capital. You do papa. Now, some of the say, and then you bet my bar one thing, and the other thing for you. So, you're not going to say nothing to say on the air. Yeah, fortunately, too, be careful. So, it's down or moving for the commission. There's no way I will get another register as a land partner because the first commission for the assassin. You know, so be a to asase ama area obi an asase ngani dia first commission dia ma yen koso ya kofo onye bi abrayen because we have asked the military any police force this time round obi bi bi ngani dia no yen chino yen fa na samla kwaso
eno ma no mo bo mo ho ban de e wo ho
you go see bo ban papa
we are sure Charles
yeah bo ban papa now I go to say so you abo there you be try and say one or the catchment area one more hono and you be try bo ho ban na again say we be try see na ma ho ban and abo mo ban on trespassing ko ba yifo the one hono there make na catch say the workers you said that war division wildlife division your area manager or you're responsible for the Ramsar site. It may be a wood answer of a person and one hour because of mobile. It's not preserve woman show. I mentioned that.
Charles Medasi.
Come to this with us.
Charles Usuna 7 and a ball and Comono, Pensino, Beshasiano, Yebe Kama Kra, Cecia. Patrician and Sumami say, a multimedia, ye born Kai, as I know radio, you know, money BBI, you say. Aha, you know, money BBI. No money BBI, you say, Tisabia, who per se, the programs are there, you know, when it's your home, personi, and Kaboom, Sienia, Bomodia, info at Adom online.com. Jabejo so na fe you know atwaso MTN se wo sori anopa no pa no num kosi no wotwe 1 cedi pe wo phone so wo demonstrate wo dial star 138 hasha na fe yama 400 megabytes of data 30 minutes of free on net calls with twemsa fin no num kosi no wotwe don hweren miensamua wo be kasa sa browser sa obedwa Various here. We did answer by dial star 138 hash. We're there for you everywhere you go. MTN. Pacho Momodi Association so advanced savings and loans here no pay Momodi Anabra. Bank of Ghana Nigeria to Mfie Dunia ni aye juma. You won Krobatan bi Ivory Coast, Cameroon, Nigeria, Tunisia, DR Congo, Cambodia, Pakistan name and yinano ye wo ho and Ghana hanso ye temu pa. Wo di anaso beba ya so ye be ma usika boom na wetimedi aye juma na waye ni ye. Frey 0800 355 355. Advanced savings and loans growing together. Patrana Danchea, National Identification Authority, say Dino, Omugusu Chocho, Omu issue Ghana cards, no. Accra West Operational Zone, no. Omusha Monday 29th April, no. Chemuya, Petrum Sakusi 25th May. Monshan so, Gas South. Aya Botiano English a man from Wejag by way Domia Brabom Ga Central Ayanso Tum Ga West Troboama Sama Okakwe South Central and North Ablikuma South Central West and North Ododio Ashedu Keteke Munina no mo wasa period ya mabobodi Montimo Modiana Monshana so Sabo Kwa with a genuine birth certificate and as a valid Ghana passport and a valid certificate we are wa acquire ma we will say wo ye Ghana near between amount sa card and so ebi ewo ho ebusua eno danche can come say they no pay many who say man no day edu commission ase na ye ka no bibia wo do betuma trafa wo ma me ho twi na obetro na wo de bebre yen efi eye ende ya ekosi bosumya wo me de toso dum ye no na nipa nanya mo bedi nkunim no achede chichirinchi ewo ho edemaw GCB bank se ye mbo kase Jowlu branch no ye bie ho akono oba ebe boama bank hunkomodie ni nkuta ho pese odi na no ayefefefe ewoni no te Nyandi close to the head office of West African Gas Pipeline ewo Jowlu ho a 0544662431 you know edi ho enkuta ho Patrician Somame say Sasso mosquito coil spray kumontonton preko advanced savings and loans Lucky Herbal JCB Bank Peak Milk, strong start to the day, and Trellador burglar proof. One of the sauce in your day.
106.3 FM.
Jim FM 106.3. Top. Only